Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create this HD quality on CapCut within a few steps. So here I've already added a clip. Next, what you need to do is go to adjust and use this setting. So for the brightness, increase it to 15, contrast 10, the saturation 15, then increase the sharpness into 100 like this. Now click on the highlight and increase it to 15, and then click on the filters tab and then find the high saturation filter under the movies category. This one, adjust it to your liking. Click on a check icon and now go to the overlay and add this overlay. Oops. Okay, this overlay right here. Adjust the size. Go to blend and choose the one that you want, that you think fits your video the best. Okay, I'm going to use the soft one and lower the opacity to 50, and that's it. This will be the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.